I made this video in 11 minutes. I didn't film anything. I didn't edit anything. I typed a prompt and an AI did the rest. But here's what nobody's telling you about tools like this. There's a right way and a wrong way to use them. And if you do it wrong, YouTube will shut you down. So I tested Pippit AI for a full week, and what I found surprised me. Pippit is an AI video agent, meaning it doesn't just edit videos, it creates them from scratch. Scripts, visuals, even an AI presenter if you want one. Now, here's why this matters right now. YouTube just cracked down on low-effort AI content. Channels are getting demonetized. Some are getting deleted entirely. But, and this is important, AI-assisted content is still fine. The key is using AI as a tool, not a replacement. Quick question before we dive in. Drop a comment. Have you tried any AI video tools yet? I'm curious what you've tested. So let me show you how Pippit actually works, and specifically how to use it without getting flagged. First feature. And this is the one that actually impressed me. Inside Pippit, go to Video Generator. You can choose between Google's Veo 3.1 or OpenAI's Sora 2. Yes, both are built in. Now here's where it gets interesting. You upload a reference video, something in a style or niche that's already working. Pippit analyzes the structure, the pacing, the format. Then it generates something new in that same style, but with completely different content. So instead of guessing what might work, you're essentially starting a viral content niche, but legally and ethically. You're starting with a proven formula, but here's the key. You can't just copy and post. You need to add your own angle, your own value. That's what keeps you safe with YouTube's policy. Now, what if you don't want to be on camera at all? That's where Pippit's second feature comes in. And honestly, this one's even more powerful. Agent mode. This is Pippit's prompt to avatar feature. And this is where it gets really easy to use, even if you're a beginner or newbie to content creation. You start with a text prompt, a product link, or your own images. Describe what you want for your avatar, and Pippit generates the entire video. Script, visuals, avatar presenting, everything. But here's the thing, for the speed and the price, it's better than anything else I've tested in this category. And if you're using this for marketing content, product demos, or educational videos, the quality is more than good enough, by the way. If you're finding this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this video, and it tells me to make more content like this. So why Pippit over something like InVideo or Pictory? Those tools are great for editing. But Pippit is built for creation. You're not cutting existing footage. You're generating new content from a prompt. And the thing that actually matters for most people, speed. What used to take me 3 to 4 hours, scripting, finding footage, editing, exporting, now takes under 30 minutes, sometimes less. Is it replacing human creativity? No. But it's handling the production work so I can focus on ideas and strategy. If you need to create content consistently and you don't have hours to spend editing, this is the fastest workflow I've found. They're offering a free trial right now, plus 50% off for new users. Links in the description. And if you want more AI tool breakdowns like this, where I actually test things for a week before recommending them, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm dropping a new one every week. Now, if you're thinking, okay, but what about generating full videos with AI from scratch? I tested another tool that does exactly that, and the results were insane. That video's on screen right now.